What happened first? A. The Muir family moved to the United States. B. Muir Woods was created. C. John Muir learned to climb rocky cliffs. D. John Muir walked to the Gulf of Mexico. Or E. Muir visited along the East Coast. With so many options, it can seem overwhelming to have to pick the event that happened first. To answer our question, we'll begin by comparing two choices at a time, starting with, did the Muir family move to the United States first, or was Muir Woods created first? We see that John Muir was born in 1838 and that he and his family moved to the United States when he was 11. In other words, in 1849. On the other hand, the first paragraph says that the Muir Woods National Monument was established in 1908. Therefore, our earliest event so far is the Muir family moving to the United States, which occurred in 1849. Now let's compare the Muir family moving to the United States with John Muir learning to climb rocky cliffs. The second paragraph tells us that Muir liked to climb rocky cliffs and walls while he was still living in Scotland. In other words, before he and his family moved to the United States. Therefore, this is now our earliest event, and we can mark it as such. Now let's compare it to the next choice. John Muir walked to the Gulf of Mexico. The fourth paragraph tells us that Muir took a 1,000-mile walk south to the Gulf of Mexico in 1867 and 1868. As this is well before Muir moved to the United States, John Muir learning to climb rocky cliffs can still be considered our earliest event. And finally, Muir visited along the East Coast. The text actually makes no mention of this, and therefore we don't even have to take it into consideration. Based on our findings, we can see that C, John Muir learned to climb rocky cliffs, is the first event out of our choices to have occurred and therefore can be marked as our final answer.